Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Glassdoor app then align career goals with LinkedIn strategy step by step clearly. To uninstall the Glassdoor app, open your device's settings. Locate the Applications or Apps section in the Settings menu. Scroll through the list until you find the Glassdoor app. Tap on the Glassdoor app icon to open its settings. Select the option that says Uninstall. Confirm the action when prompted to remove the app from your device. Now that the app is uninstalled, let's align your career goals with a LinkedIn strategy. Start by defining your career goals clearly. Write down what you want to achieve in your career. Consider short-term and long-term objectives. Next, update your LinkedIn profile to reflect these goals. Add a professional profile picture and a compelling headline. Craft a summary that highlights your skills and aspirations. Now, list your work experience that aligns with your career goals. Include relevant skills and accomplishments in your experience section. Connect with professionals in your industry on LinkedIn. Join groups related to your career interests. Engage with posts and share relevant content to increase your visibility. Finally, set a regular schedule to revisit and adjust your LinkedIn strategy. Make sure to track your progress toward your career goals. Stay proactive in networking and seeking opportunities. By aligning your goals with a strong LinkedIn strategy, you can enhance your career prospects effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.